Hello and good morning. Welcome in, everybody. Good afternoon. Good evening. Let's get everything situated. I'm a little bit behind this morning. It's very dark this morning as well. Let's see. Okay. What's up, Discipline? Good morning. I'm gonna get the music started and then I'm gonna mute, walk away for just a second. Okay, be right back.
XXII AZYL.
All right. This is way too bright. What'd you miss? It. You missed it. What's it?
GIII.
Yeah, that'll work. Okay. What's up, everybody? Welcome in. Thanks for showing up. We got anything moving this morning? Anything happening? SMMT. Okay. If it's moving, I'm guessing it didn't have news, right? Okay, it did have news. 80, no, 7:30. Summit Therapeutics partners with Kiso Inc. in deal for up to $5 billion in license breakthrough and innovative bispecific antibody. Okay.
GFI.
Oh, I guarantee it. It'll probably be lower than the close of yesterday open. We'll look at it real quick for them. SMMT. This T1 halted, didn't it? So it looks like this T1 halted and then opened at 8, maybe.
VVNT.
That's what it looks like to me. Because the news came out at 7:30, and then we got this big gap up candle right at 8 o'clock. So that would be my guess. All right. Still getting things situated here. Woke up just a little bit late. I know it's not even worth waking up for 8 a.m. anymore. Barely worth waking up for 8:30. Hey, what's up, Optimus Prime? Good morning, morning. So we got a 66% runner, but that runner is only 23 cents. SMMT second top gainer at 38. Yeah, that's it. Markups, I'm guessing, were dead yesterday. All I did was trade futures yesterday. Okay, VVNT, so third top gainer is a buyout. SMMT, the one we were talking about, opened up, went to 150, now back to 110, just barely. And then STRY is actually our top gainer, and this is its chart. That's pretty. That's a pretty chart right there. So that's what we're working with. But yeah, let me pull that up on screen too. So up to 5 billion. That's good. $500 million upfront payment. I mean, even that's good. But this is the not that, sorry. This is the reaction. Sad. It's really sad. Really, really sad to stay in the market. Like this type of news. Let's see the float on this thing. 34 million float, so not that bad. And with a daily this low, should already be at 2. Should already be over 2.
Figs. SMMT.
Market cap is 137 million, and they're getting 500 million.
SMMT.
Stupid. And normally I would have conviction, like, oh my god, this thing's way too cheap. It's gonna keep running throughout the morning. Like it hasn't popped off yet, but 2022, this market, hell no. Hell no. I'd be surprised if it got back to 140. So that's about all we got going on today so far. Is it freezing there this morning? 39 here, so nothing crazy. It's supposed to rain this morning. So if it was a little bit colder, we'd be getting snow. We haven't had snow yet. Has it snowed there yet? Man, we're getting a lot of rain. We'd have a ton of snow if it was a little bit colder. Today, tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Jeez. Yeah, I don't like the cold either at all. Like, at all. Man, are we gonna have to pull out our first game of the day already? We'll look at SPY. So I caught ES right here yesterday on this breakout. Ended up selling, I think, right at VWAP. Then it sold off pretty much the whole day down to 4,000, 39.90 actually. Held 39.90 really nicely, and then bounced back up overnight, back over 4,000. But now it's just kind of waving and chopping. I'm trading mini. So this is the mini one right here. And then MESZ22 is micro.
IRNT.
Got to tweet that for a lot.
ENIC.
That's not good. I just said my mouse battery level is at critical. I wonder if I could take it over and plug it into the back of my monitor. Hey, Scott B, good to see you. Yeah, it still blows. Still blows. The cool part about this is you don't have to, there's no PDT. So I just only put 2,500 in my futures account and I can trade as much as I want. Oh, there's SMMT. No way this thing randomly gonna catch now. The news has been known since 7:30, and he unhalted at 8. Hey, what's up, Snacks? Yeah, I don't trade with much at all now. This one, like anywhere between 25 and 50.
PXMT.
No reason to. Yeah.
CT.
Anywhere between 25 and 50. Just depends. Yeah, there's zero reason to have any much more right this second. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, it's just, I'm trying to add something else to my tool belt because small caps and pennies are not working at all right now. I do not like options because it just feels like gambling to me. Options does. Just because the time, the decay. I had a good day, Snacks. Had a good day. Yeah, if you could have gotten in right here.
AAC.
It's holding the 9 on the 5. And then pushed up. Yeah, I think I made like 600 or something on futures. That's really all I focused. It's only my second day doing it, and I'm only doing one contract at a time, so felt pretty good. I mean, the market has been inconsistent since April of 21. There's been good months, there's been bad months, but 2022 has just been very, very, very slow.
Urge.
I'm having to like cross my arm and mouse from over here. This is where I got my mouse plugged in at. What's up, Mike? I was gonna take my mouse charging cable and like hook it up to the monitor in front of me over here, so I don't have to reach across. But because I keep my desktop over here, but none of these have a USB port.
MSC.
So SMT. Let's see. What was it falling off a cliff for? Had bad earnings,
INTX.
and I guess small caps have just been going to the shitter. But yeah, this thing's just been on a death spiral since early this year. 144 is to 200. So that 150 level's big. You can see here, around here. These couldn't even get up to it. And then the 200 now is just below it.
TMF.
Oh, come on. Don't do that to me. Said I will be 149 or I will be 151, but not 150.
BBNT.
I should have left my mouse charging overnight. It said yesterday it was getting low. Let's do a Contexto. Since nothing's really moving that much. I mean, SMMT's up. But do I really see an edge here? Like trading at this spot? No. Maybe if it comes back down to here. Give time for the mouse to charge as well. Alright, let's start. I'm feeling pizza as a good start here. No. Okay, closer to a person.
BNED.
Yeah, I think wait till it comes back down.
ADMP.
Okay. It took a while. It took a while to this one said how long did it take to master trading psychology, such as cutting losses quick, getting out of positions, and being disciplined. I see you trading like a robot. Yeah, and that's the ultimate goal, really, is to trade like a robot. But it took a while because, and still I get emotional sometimes. It just happens. But you try to keep it down. You try to trade the setup or trade like the reason that you're trying to make the trade. And if that reason goes away, get out. No reason. And if you miss out on the trade, just know that something else is going to come along eventually. Even, I mean, I've had things that I've had at $2 and they went to 70. But, and I sold at like 250 and I was like, hell yeah, I just sold from 2 to 250 and it went to $70, but whatever. I would say I really started trading like a robot in like 2020, maybe 2019, and I had started in 2016. So probably like 3 good years. I was consistent after a couple years, but I still had that emotion in there. I'd say 3 started to where I was like, okay, There's gonna be another one. I gotta trade, gotta follow my rules, I gotta do this, gotta do that. And then, 2020 came along and my consistency and rules really paid off because the market was so consistent already. So, all right, let's figure this out. Closer to person.
AAC.
Hand. Okay. Leg. Okay, mouth is close. Toothbrush. Breathe. Breathe. Wait. T-O-U.
TUYA.
How the heck do you spell tongue? There we go. You guys got anything? What's closer to mouth?
NDRA.
But not teeth or tongue. Yeah, I tried teeth. Well, it went to tooth. It went ahead and fixed the whatever, the tense. Okay. Lipstick. No. And it's not eat. Oh, I thought I picked eat. Okay. So it is closer to eat. Devour. Meal? No. Book. No.
BBNT.
So this game, I'll describe what this one is. So this, you have to figure out what the word is, and it can be any word, I guess, in the English language. And as I pick, the closer or the higher up on the list it is, the closer this word is to the word I'm looking for. So eat is like 139 words, similar words away from the actual word that I'm trying to guess. And like pizza is as far away as possible, even though pizza should be close to eat. I'm gonna do a hint. Let's do another hint. Nerve. Pain. Yeah, I think to really get consistent and know what you're doing and like really be good at it, I would say probably 4 years is a good time frame. Nerve. Boom. Brain. What that has to do with mouth, I'm not entirely sure. And eat. I don't know how eat is closer than mouth to brain. But we got it. We got it. All right, SMMT coming back home. Let's get 1 minute here. 1 minute paints a little bit better picture. So you've got the 150 line, but you've also got this like 123-ish line that it does not want to close over. And then you may have a bottom line actually as well. Which it's trying to go under like right this second.
AAC.
All right, so if it's gonna hold, it needs to hold right here for this pattern at least. Been holding this trend the whole time. Came back down to it just now. Needs to get above 123. Okay, 9 a.m. news. SRNE has received FDA clearance to initiate clinical trials with a next generation vaccine against the Omicron virus. Okay. Cool. All right. Well, that's that. Let's see what this does.
SMMT.
Nice. Oh, yep, there it is. Man, I was getting ready to set my buys up there. Okay, that's actually big. Because now it's trying to break out. See what it does here. Yeah, through 120 would have been the buy there, I think. It was sitting right on the trend line. But I was trying to get through the 9 a.m. news real quick. Look at that refreshing wall. It's 14, it's 12, back to 16. It's at 6. Okay, it's through. Needs through 125 now. And it's got a chance for 130. 125 refresh. 124 refresh. 123. Man, this is cool. It can still do it. Only got 2,500. Really don't want to add that much more. I got it kind of at a high here. It was at the breakout point though. There we go. Somebody swiped through 125, 126, 127, 128. Okay, there's volume. And it's sad because I'm already thinking in my head, okay, I'm up $100. Should I sell? Because, you know, the state of the market that we're in. But it's getting decent volume here. A couple bidders in. I'm definitely not going to take a loss on this unless they completely destroy every bid. Which is very possible. Look at that smash. I guess my thought process was right. I am up 4 cents. I should probably sell. 4 cents is like a best case scenario, I guess, in this market. Next 1 minute candle, I'd want to see push a little higher. Shorts are definitely piling though. Get us to that 144 level. Just nothing wants to break out in pre-market. And then once the market opens, nothing wants to break out either. So Well. How about that? I was up 4 cents and now I'm up 1 cent.
NKLA.
And barely that. Okay, 125 is trying its best to hold strong. Next 1 minute is in 30 seconds. It's also the next 5 minute. And that would have the 5 minute closing over the level it's been struggling with of 123. So if it can survive for 15 more seconds, I think the next candle can push up towards 130. It's sad that it's this much of a struggle on that good of news. Just the upfront payment is like 4 times their market cap. All right, 905. Let's see what happens. $14, $16, $19. It's got almost 10 million volume now. They're protecting 125. Every time it gets smashed, they put it right back. But the shorts are just heavy on the ask here. All these shares are going through in this zone, man. I'd love to sell up here near the 200 SMA. $21K, now 31, so they added another ass to it. $25, 23, 17, 12. Okay, so 126 is gone. Okay, super paint. It's like watching paint dry though on these freaking stocks now. Okay, 127's through, 128. There's 130. They refreshed it pretty big there at 130. See what they do here. They didn't keep the pressure. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Bulls are just so weak. It's sad. It's pitiful, actually. Pitiful how weak they are. I'm out. Pitiful. That was pitiful. That's the state of the market 2022. Absolutely pitiful. A disgust to even look at.
DVGI, SMFR. SLNH.
Man, that sucks. That's just awful. Awful action. Any other year besides this year and part of last year, this would have been a nightmare. Like, I would have woke up and been like, oh my God, that was the worst price action ever. Thank God it was just a dream. But here we are, living it every day. $25.50. Yeah, I wasn't able to lock it in. I was up 4 cents on a stock. And then now look at this. What is this that I'm looking at? Oh my God. And they did it again. They're just attacking. Yeah, I was up 4 cents, and I guess I should have sold for 4 cents. And I ended up selling for 1 cent.
CHAA.
If they keep hammering and hammering and hammering and it's sustained, this has potential to squeeze just because of how aggressive the shorts are being, and for good reason. Just like we were aggressive in a bull market when things actually broke out, they have every right to be aggressive on a push, because I mean nothing goes more than 1 cent. Like, this will probably be the high of day for the next year.
MEIP.
All right. So yeah, still no 1 minute candle close over 130.
BRMK.
Tesla weak this morning. Apple kind of hanging around, but Tesla looking pretty weak. Maybe 181 level bounce off of.
Chris. Zev. SESN.
So we've got nothing today,
Real.
but let's see, really nothing tomorrow either. Thursday, jobless claims, and then Friday is the PPI.
NMTC.
But nothing for the next couple days. They keep hammering this.
SMMT. Roku.
Do you see this though? Or I don't know if you guys can see it really through stream, but it's like trading 133, 134, and then 4 or 5 cents a bid just get absolutely destroyed.
GRFS.
All right, I'm going to do unusual wealth instead of 1,000,000 followers on Twitter. Nice. That's a great follow if you don't follow him already. I'm gonna do this real quick, and then I'm going to go feed the dogs and all that. Ooh. Okay, that's much better. That's much better.
SUZ. AAC.
Probably ARE. Layer, maybe? Oh, it's not. Oh, A's not at the end.
GFI.
And A's not in the middle. What was I thinking? So R isn't here, here, or here. A or the E isn't in the middle. This sucks. This really sucks. Okay. So maybe it starts with R? No, it doesn't start with R either. So it's got to be R at the end. Eager? I'll try that. Okay, at least it gets the ER in there. So the A isn't here, here, so it starts with A. So A blank blank ER.
BBNT.
I don't know. I don't know about this one.
BBIV.
Amber? It could be Amber. I'll give it a shot.
GGD.
That's it. That's it. Good job. That's a tougher one. I just could not get anything together up here. Nice job. All right. We're back.
NMTC. ANGH. PBI. SMMT. SXTC. VMEO. BSGM. CTM. SMMT. NYMX. SMMT.
All right. So SMMT still doing it. Went down, you see, to this 123 level though, the level it couldn't break over before, and held, and hammered, and pushed. So maybe that's a good sign.
TMDI.
Getting the push now. It's 923. We had it down here 124. And we're up as much as 4 cents as it chopped around. Oh, there it is again. Straight up, straight down. Goss worth watching? Okay, let me pull that up. Oh yeah, that you're right. You're right. Let's see what the news was.
GGB.
Meats primary endpoint, but
AVXL.
just not good enough, I guess. Conference call was at 8. I don't know. Yeah, you're right. It could dead count a little bit.
USEA.
Yeah, this, I mean, it hit the endpoint, but not good enough, I guess.
RKT. GIIX. Sumo.
This just looks like a choppy day in the making on the market. When I've been trading futures, I've been keeping TradingView up. And I have the dollar and the VIX side by side. Usually if the dollar's ripping, the market's going to go down. If the dollar's falling, the market's going up. VIX is falling, market's going up.
OTLY.
So we'll see what happens. Tesla looks weak. Apple hanging sideways. Microsoft
PSNY.
up a little bit. Meta has been relatively strong. Down. So Meta's finally having its first weak day here. Let's see what SPY daily looks like. So we're back underneath the trend line again. For now. We're either due a bounce day or maybe a pullback to 395.
Check.
So adjusting the trend line slightly, looks like we have hit the top of it again and rejected. So maybe it'll take a little bit more time to truly get through that. Just in time for CPI and PPI to be bad and let's fall off again. All right, about 2.5 minutes to go. Gonna go ahead and flip over to intraday scanners. I will be looking through maybe some smaller caps, but I'll be trading just futures today, more than likely. I gave my one shot on the small cap, made $25 on it, so. Meta falling. Apple still hanging. Market's trying to fall. It's at 4,001 here. I'd like to get ES on 39.80. But we'll see if we put in a high or low overall. This is not an ad at all, but TradeStation is running a nice promo for futures commission. If you guys are interested with futures, you don't need PDT money, so you can just trade as much as you want with however much you want. You need at least like I think 1,160 or something to buy one contract. So as long as you have over $1,000, you can at least trade one contract. Yeah, the big key I think today is, are we going to hold the high or low from this level right here? All right, good luck today. If you're green, stay green. If you're red, don't snowball.
EDRY.
Let's go.
HOFB. XPOSMMT. CTGM. BIBIT. ANGSGM. TUYA.
I'll pull up SMT just to look at it here.
BCDA. EQ. BBNT. NOGN. RME MYNZ Roku HDSN
Meta bounce.
Rave
Apple still hanging sideways, really. Tesla, a little bit of a bounce.
BDRY SMMT SMMT
Okay, Apple week, Meta week.
ANGH Sumo PDO AMAM STRY
Market trying to hold that 4,000 level here.
BVNT
SMT up to 140. So Tesla is very strong. All the others are weak
CSPI
at this very second.
OLB BCDA
Tesla up to 184 right now. Apple weak, Meta weak.
NYNZ GHSI SRT RIGL BVNT
Can't make heads or tails of what the market's going to do right now. It's trying to hammer, and it falls down, and it tries to hammer, then it falls down. Meta lower, Apple lower, Tesla pulling back now. I would imagine ES will pull back.
Chris LYT JWEL AAC plus
Yeah, Tesla way back down now. Meta falling off a cliff. Apple low of day. ES still holding though for now. Tesla almost at low of candle now. Apple falling. I got a short at 4,004. Tesla red candle now, but ES still holding on. Just let go.
BVNT ENIC SMMT
Weakness all across the board, but ES will not let go of 4,000 yet.
NUVB no
Just give it up. Just give it up. Okay, Tesla on a red candle now. Big red candle.
BSGM CEA Con
Oh my god. Is this thing gonna squeeze up and get me out of even and then go down?
CSPI
Don't understand why the overall market is not falling yet. Okay, new 5-minute candle here.
SMMT
My god.
AAC plus GOL
So it never pulled back. The market did. Even though we got this, we got this, we got Tesla off a cliff now.
TMPO EDTK.
The market never pulled back. That is so strange. Actually, it's looking like it came and got me out, and then it's going to fall now. Yep. That's what it does. That's what it does, baby. So it came up, got me out completely on everything else had weakness but the market. And it pulls this. It goes all the way up, hits my stop, and then fades all the way to 4,000. Oh, that's so frustrating. A and GH, nasty flush.
BBNT STRY Grill PRDS
Market's not giving it up. Not giving it up at all.
IMTT BNGO BBNT
Just gonna hold that. So SMMT, beautiful straight down candle out the gate. Went up for a couple minutes, maybe 3 minutes there, and then full fail.
STRY THCH Sumo Any MKTW SMMT
So the dollar's falling right now with stocks, which is very, very interesting. Broda's not around to tell me what the heck that means. Meta looks like it's gonna halt down over here.
BBNT STRY MITTC Acer
Doesn't even matter though, I guess. I guess it's a long, regardless of stocks today.
SMMT
Apple Hammer.
BLVia AAC Plus BBNT GLSI
Okay, Tesla now off a cliff completely. It's looking bearish, but it stopped me out 3 times already on a stop.
EPOW STRY SMMT
Armad? Why is Armad up? News? No.
ANGH BVNT.
No news. It's actually down on the day. What do you got RMAD for? Just it had a reverse split or something? Daily setup, I guess. Yeah, it needs over like the 450, 465 level. I haven't been paying attention to small caps at all, though. Like, no attention at all.
STRY. CXUTNT. QTNT. BSGM. BTGN. Roku. Lyle. BTGN.
Tesla still waterfalling. Meta waterfalling.
BNGO. ORRF.
Microsoft still up. Apple hanging on.
SMMT. NRXP. BVNT.
Man, I'd been up so much right here on the short, but it had to wick around and stop me out.
STRY.
Got chopped alive.
BTGN. SMMT. EDUC. VVNT.
Goss is trying.
Sumo. BTGN. XTNT.
Yeah, it faded at the gate, but it is curling off a 3 now.
GTIM. SMMT. DTSS.
The market's right at yesterday's low. Through it. I knew it was going to be a short today. Absolutely knew it was going to be a short today, and it still chopped around and got me. I feel like that happens every time. Even if you know which way it's going, it comes and gets you.
MCLDW. EPOW STRY SMMT
You think we had horrible news today?
EVRD.
The way it's falling off.
FANH. GCI. VVNT. ENTX. RBT.
All right. I don't really see anything I like today. I'm gonna go ahead and call it for the day. Another day in paradise, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow morning.